Hey guys, it's LP with S&W Service and Repair. And one thing you're going to get yourself ready for is when you move out and expand your area to rural areas, areas where there are lots of land. I know I haven't been doing that in a while, and I started out kind of catching things off of Thumbtack and Angie's List and Home Advisor. I got to go into some of these rural areas. I kind of got away from that, seeing as how I've been using the warranty companies a lot and dealing with things that have been more on the middle class and upper class. And now that I've expanded my territory to the rural areas and these places where people are moving to renovate and to buy houses a little cheaper than they are down here in the Frisco, Little Lamb, Plano area. These houses have a lot of issues, and they have varmints. So my last call, I had a dishwasher that was giving me the PF error on the Frigidaire, the power failure error, and the unit. First of all, it looks like a mobile home, and then when I got there, the dishwasher was kind of in there. I could tell it was in there, kind of suspect. Anyway, I pulled off the panel down at the bottom to take a look in there, and man, that was a lot of rat droppings all over the place. I'm not a rat guy. I'm be honest with you, I'm not a rat guy at all. And man, it took me back to when I was a kid. We grew up and we had 2 acres. Man, we got 2 acres in the city limits of Dallas. My mom still owns that property. We looking for payday. But anyway, man, we used to have these big wood rats that look like possums. These big rats. And ever since I was a kid, I don't like rats. I don't like mice. I don't like rats, and I don't like snakes. And I dropped that panel off. I went back to childhood for a second. I'm sure that customer was wondering, like, is he okay? I was looking like, you got some rats? But anyway, I remain professional and diagnose this dishwasher. I need to get a control board for it. And not long ago, about a month ago, when I first expanded to this territory, I had to install a microwave up there in the Gainesville area. And I pulled down the microwave, and there's a dead rat in between the microwave and the top of the cabinet there. And I had to walk this rat on top of this microwave down. Man, I didn't like seeing that. But I handled business. We got it down. We got the rat discarded. And yeah, you're going to run into a lot of this stuff. So just be aware when you start hitting these rural areas, you're going to have to handle it and take care of it. You have to remain a professional. I still had to keep my game face on and do what I needed to do, but believe me, I didn't like seeing that. But you're gonna do that when you run into these rural areas, dog. Y'all gonna start seeing these rats and rat terrors, and woo, heaven forbid I see a snake, 'cause I lie to bust down the door on a brother. But anyway, that's just my little 2 cents, my little old rat dropping story for the day. I'm going to my 3rd call on Sunday though, man. It ain't gonna stop the paper. I'm gonna remain a professional, and I'm gonna keep getting this money. All right, guys, have a great